Good morning, children. Yesterday what we learned? We learned about the two-digit carry problems, about the subtraction. How to regroup one sentence place we learned, as well as we solved some of the examples in the board as well as in the textbook. Today we will see the next exercise and last exercise of lesson 4, subtraction stories. We already learned about addition stories. In addition, we learned if a sentence containing the word in, all together, total, sum, if we are having these words means what we did? We did addition of that. Now going to subtraction, a sentence which contains taken away, left, how many more than, remains and difference. So if we are having these words in our questions means we have to do the subtraction. Okay. If a sentence contains here taken away, left, how many more than, reminded and difference. If we are having these words in our sentence means what we have to do? That sentence we have to do the subtraction. We will see with some examples which is present in the textbook, page number 104. So children, open this page. See children, page number 104. At first, take down as a classwork and today's date. Here, first one is given in the box. Taken away, left, how many more than, remains, difference or given away. If we are having these words in the sentence means what we have to do? We have to do the subtraction. Understood? Taken away, left, how many more than, remain, difference, given away. If we are having these words means we have to do the subtraction. Read and underline the word that suggests subtraction in each story problem. Find the difference. We have to underline the word which suggests us to find the subtraction. Then we have to find the difference. At first we will read the question. The class teacher had 60 color pencils. How many color pencils? 60 color pencils. 40 color pencils were given away to the children. Here what happened? Given away. See children, the word given away used here. Given away to the children. How many color pencils were left? Here we are having left. Left means we have to do the subtraction. Total, the class teacher having how many color pencils? 60 color pencils. In that 40 were given to children. So what they told? They told us to find the remaining color pencil. So first we will find the difference. 0 minus 0. 0. 6 minus 4 is 2. In total 6 subtract 2 we will get, in total 6 subtract 4. What the difference we will get? 2, which is equal to 20. 20 color pencils were left. Next, there are 45 children in standard 2. How many children? 45 children we are having in a standard second. 7 children were absent on Monday. On Monday, how many children were absent? 7 children were absent. How many children were present in the class on Monday? See children, the question here arises. How many? So what we have to do? In the total 45, we have to subtract the 7 children. We will get the difference which is equal to number of children present on Monday. Which is the bigger number? While in a subtraction, always we have to take a bigger number as a minuend. First is a minuend. First always we have to take a bigger number. Then we have to take a smaller number as a subtrahend. Here while arranging the numbers you have to be very careful. Why? Because we are having only single digit number. Always complete the ones. Then going to the tens we are having no digit. So we will write 0 in the place of tens to avoid the confusion. Which sign? Negative sign. In 5 can you subtract 7? 5 is the smallest number, 7 is the bigger number. we cannot subtract a bigger number in smaller number. So we will regroup this 5 as a 15 by making this 4 as a 3. Okay. After to 7, count 2 till get 15. After to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many times we counted? 8 times. So 8 is the difference. 3 minus 0 is 3 itself. So how many children were present on Monday? 38 children were present on Monday. Understood, children? First we had to underline the numbers. Then we had to underline the word which suggests us to find the difference. Then arrange the numbers in the column. While arranging the numbers, you have to be very careful. Always fill the ones at first. Then fill the tens place. Then find the difference by regrouping. Next, question number C. There were 93 fruits in the basket. How many fruits? 93 fruits. 79 were sold by the fruit seller. He is the fruit seller. He is selling the fruits in his basket. Total 93 fruits are present. In that 93, 79 fruits he sold out. How many fruits are left unsold? See, children. How many left? Left means we have to do the subtraction. He is having total 93 fruits. In this 93, 79 fruits, what he did? He sold out. So we have to find the remaining number of fruits. Remaining means the left fruits, which is the sign to find the left is a subtraction sign. Number 3 is the smaller number. 9 is the bigger number. We cannot subtract the bigger number in smaller number. So regroup 3 as a 13. How this 3 become as a 13? By making 9 as a 8. 13 minus 9 means after to 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many times we counted? 4 times. After to 7 we will get 8. We counted only for 1 times. The difference is 14. 14 fruits are left unsold. Okay. Next, question number D. What is the difference between? See, children. The difference means we have to do the subtraction. We have to find the difference between 35 rupees and 28 rupees. 54 rupees and 28 rupees. Which is the bigger number? 58 is the bigger. Always take a bigger number at first. 28 is the smaller number. Take second as the smallest number. You have to be very careful while arranging. Always take a bigger number at first and smaller number as the next. In 4 we cannot subtract 8. So regroup 4 as a 14 by making this 5 as a 4. After to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 6 times we counted this 2. The difference of money is 26 rupees. The difference is 26 rupees. Understood, children, how to find? First, we have to read the numbers very carefully and we have to circle. Otherwise, we have to underline the word which suggests us to find the difference. Then arranging the numbers in a column, finding the difference. It's very easy. Sums we are having. So you have to solve it in a notebook. Now, moving to the next page. I will read and I will tell you to find either to add or to subtract. Sorry, how to subtract I will teach you 2 and remaining 2 I will give as a homework. There were 59 apples in the basket. The children ate 39. How many apples are left? In the total 56 apples, 39 apples were eaten by children. How many apples were left? Left means we have to do the subtraction. First we will arrange the numbers in a column. 56 minus 39. What I told, children? Take a bigger number at first, smallest number as a second. This is the which number? This is the minuend. This is the subtrahend. We cannot subtract 9 in 6. So regroup 6 as a 16, 5 as a 4. We had to add 10 to 1s and subtract 1 to 2 tens. After to 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We counted for how many times? 7 times. Next, after to 4, only 1 times. Number 17 is the difference. 17 apples are left. Next, Tini bought bananas for rupees 26. She gave the fruit seller 50 rupees. How many rupees should she get back? How many? Here we have to do the subtraction. See children, Tini brought bananas for how many rupees? 26 rupees. She given to a shopkeeper 50 rupees. So how many amount she will get returned back from the shopkeeper, they ask. Here they given small number at first. 26 is the smallest number as compared to 50. You don't take 26 as a first. Yes, no, I already told what we had to do. We had to take a bigger number at first. Which is the bigger number in these two numbers? 50 is the bigger. So take bigger number at first. Then we will take smallest number. Okay. Now we will regroup this number by making 0 as a 10 and this 5 as a 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. Understood? The difference is 24. So 24 rupees she will get back from the shopkeeper. Okay. Next. Tinky's mother brought 43 strawberries. On Sunday, 17 strawberries were left by Wednesday. How many strawberries did Tinky and his brother ate? See here, in a total 43 strawberries, 70 were eaten means how many strawberries were left? Okay. We have to do the subtraction. 3, in 3 we cannot subtract 7. Make it as 13 by making 4 as a 3. 17 minus 3 is 6. 3 minus 1 is 2. The difference is 26 strawberries were eaten by Tinky. Okay. Next. In the basket there were 34 fruits. How many fruits are there? 34. Out of which 19 are mangoes and the remaining are pineapple. Find how many of pineapple. See children, here we are having remaining. Means we have to do the subtraction. This basket contains full of fruits. 34 fruits we are having in the total. In that total 19 fruits are mango and we have to find the pineapple. How many pineapples we are having? We are having total 34. In that 19 were mangoes. Take a bigger number at first, smaller number as second. Then we will regroup this number. Okay. 14 minus 9 is how much? 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 15 were pineapple. 15 fruits are of pineapple in this basket. Homework, you had to resolve these all story problems. How many story problems we are having? 8 story problems we solved in today's class. Okay. Tomorrow you are having Sunday, you are having time. So what you have to do children? These all 8 story problems neatly you have to write the questions in the textbook. Then you have to solve very carefully. And practice subtraction of a carry problems. Okay. Practice well and do the homework properly. Send it. Bye.